On December 13, the Karnataka High Court granted regular bail to 7 accused in the case of the abduction, torture and murder of Renuka Swami. Among the accused were actors Darshan and Puttura Gowda. The decision was delivered by Justice S. Vishwajit Shetty, who ruled on separate bail applications filed by the accused. These individuals, against whom a charge sheet had already been filed, had initially been denied bail by the trial court, prompting them to approach the High Court. It is worth noting that on October 30th, the High Court had granted temporary bail to Darshan for undergoing back surgery. Renuka Swami was abducted and murdered on June 8th in a shed in Bengaluru's RR Nagar area. His body was discovered the next day in a drain near an apartment complex. According to the police charge sheet, Renuka Swami had sent inappropriate messages to Puttura, leading him and the other accused to take the law into their own hands. They allegedly abducted and tortured Renuka Swami in a shed in Bengaluru. The accused also reportedly attempted to destroy evidence of the murder. Allegedly, Darshan bribed certain individuals to provide false testimony to evade charges.